Hey you wolves, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is day number 84 of our year, and today's challenge is to chug a whole bottle of Pepsi without burping. I think this challenge is pretty much impossible, but I'll give it my best shot. Here we go. I'm going pretty good. It's just the only problem is the bubbles making my mouth burn. I also want to give a shout out to this person for commenting down for me to do this. I can feel the pressure building, but I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I only got a little left to go. I thought I was almost gonna burp then, but no, I just... It's definitely becoming harder to digest this. I'm so close. I'm almost there. There we go. I finished it. Now all I have to do is just try and not burp. Yeah. I'm gonna stand up. I know if standing up makes this bit all worse, but I feel like it would make it better. There's a lot of pressure in my tummy right now. Like, I'm not even kidding, there's a lot of pressure. Whew. Well, nothing is happening, so I think I completed it. I think I actually did it. I think I chugged a whole bottle. What? How much is this? This is 1.5. So I chugged a whole 1.5 bottle of Pepsi without burping, because nothing's happening to me. I haven't burped. My tummy does hurt, but I haven't burped. So I would say this challenge is a success. I will see you wolves in a brand new video